everyone, it's Maritime Meg and her sidekick Greg, and we're here with our dogs. We're going to show you some footage from a few weeks ago when we were still on our vacation in Nova Scotia, and this footage is from the valley and some fun things that you can do in the valley in the fall. And we're going to start off by going to the Tangled Gardens where they sell jams and jellies and liqueurs, and they have a beautiful garden out back behind the store. And then we're going to go to apple pick at Gates's U Pick, and then we're going to check out Noggin's farm and show you all the fun things there, like corn mazes and haunted houses and Greg's clean porta potties. And then we're just going to show you the pumpkin people that the town of Kentville does every year. So come along. The local jams and jellies. It smells lovely in here.
This is a hot dill. It's a little different for pepper jelly. Lovely with seafood, nice with fish cakes.
I can definitely see
Thank
that
you.
going good with fish cakes.
Oh. We do like our jams.
So
That's
cheddar.
cool.
And so this has got all your herbs like the song, parsley,
Thank you.
sage, rosemary, and thyme. Yeah.
We bought some jellies, and now we're going to do a tour of the Tangled Gardens themselves. It has an $8 admission. So here we go. This is their little tea room. It's closed right now, but this is somewhere you can stop and have a cup of tea and have some of their jellies. We can't find Greg. Marco! Marco! Found you! So the Tangled Gardens is a really cute place to stop in Grand Pré, Nova Scotia. It consists of their really cool gardens to explore, their little shop that we went to earlier where you buy jellies and liqueurs and all kinds of fun little goodies. And they also host weddings and events here too, and they typically behind me have their little tea room, but right now it is closed. So there's lots of cute little things to do if you ever are driving by. Make sure to stop. Oh, what did you do?
Oh.
No.
Let me love you.
I don't want it.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice, baby.
So gross. Hey, little guy.
Should pet it.
They also have ice cream, so we got a little lemon thyme ice cream to try.
So behind me are some Macintosh Portlands in there.
Oh, I like the
You're
Portland.
welcome to sample.
We're now going to pick apples, and we're sampling them too. How is it?
It's delicious. It's Annapolis.
We're all done our apple picking. It's $10 a bag. Mom did way better than the three of us did. She did one herself, and the three of us don't have near as many apples as she does.
Hey, I put some of my apples in her bag.
Listen, they're just Instagram apples. They're not really eating apples.
So one very famous stop in the valley is Noggin's farm. So they have all of their fresh produce. You can get your pumpkins here. Greg can go pee here. And they also have a haunted house and a corn maze and all of the typical fun fall things to do. Greg. Yucky. Bye, Greg. There's the corn maze. And there's like tires and fun things for kids to play on. So there's the haunted house at Noggins.
Those are really clean. Porta potty.
So we're not going to do the corn maze today, but you can check out one of our past vlogs for one that we did in Salisbury, New Brunswick. But we are going to try the rope maze. Greg cheated. He always cheats. Poor Kelsey. Yeah. I've got healed.
Mm-hmm. Nope, you still suck.
This is about all I'm getting.
Okay, Miley.
I can't get up with the heels.
Mm-hmm.
So in the town of Kentville, Nova Scotia, one tradition that they do every fall is their pumpkin people. So this is what we're checking out right now. What?
So that pumpkin's got an axe on him. Look at that.
There you
He's
go.
got a dollar.
And here's the little pumpkin people. Down the road there's Star Wars ones, but we couldn't pull off at an appropriate place to park. What's the theme this year?
Not fairy tale, but like
Similar to that.
fantasy.
Okay. Gregory, don't you touch those. He's got his Tims. And that's the pumpkin people of 2020. Here are the Star Wars pumpkin people. Yeah. They got their little lightsabers.
It's Maritime Meg and her awesome sidekick Greg.
How was that?
I'm over it.
So thanks for coming along today on our adventures in the valley in Nova Scotia.
Because we went very far, still on the same couch.
Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can follow along on more of our adventures, and let us know in the comments below where we should check out next in the Atlantic bubble. Thanks for coming along.
Did you say Newfoundland? I think one of them said Newfoundland.
He's determined to go to Newfoundland someday.
I'm gonna kiss a fish.